Are those fish sticks good? No? Where's Tikaboo? Who's Tikaboo? Who's Tikaboo?
Hey!
What are you eating? Fish sticks?
No.
What is that? Ketchup?
No, pork chop.
Is that all you eat?
Pork chop.
Pork chop?
Yeah, pork chop.
No, that's ketchup.
Pork chop.
Ketchup.
Pork chop.
No, not pork chop. Ketchup.
Pork chop.
Yeah, ketchup.
Pork chop. Okay?
Okay.
Mommy!
Eat and then I'll let you watch your video. Tell me what you're eating first. What is it called?
Okay.
No, what is that called? The fish stick. What is that called? What is it called? What is it? What are you eating? Say fish stick. Fish sticks. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Why do you do that? Funny kid you. Why you silly? Say hi, Daddy. Eat your fish sticks.
No.
Hey, eat your nose. Okay, bye-bye.